Look up, what do you see? Perhaps a clear blue sky, or maybe a blanket of grey. But if you're lucky, you'll see clouds. Clouds are nature's masterpiece, constantly shifting and changing. They transform the sky into a breathtaking canvas of shapes, textures, and colours. Clouds are more than just beautiful sights. They are essential to life on Earth. They bring rain to quench thirsty lands. They reflect sunlight back into space, helping to regulate our planet's temperature. And they inspire us with their ever-changing beauty. From the delicate wisps of cirrus clouds to the towering thunderheads of summer storms, clouds captivate our imaginations. They remind us of the power and beauty of the natural world. In this essay, we'll embark on a journey to explore the wonders of cloud formations. We'll unravel the science behind their creation. And we'll discover how they have inspired artists, poets, and dreamers for centuries. Clouds may seem ethereal, but their formation is rooted in basic physics. It all begins with water evaporating from oceans, lakes, and rivers. This invisible water vapor rises into the atmosphere. As the air cools, the water vapor condenses around tiny particles like dust and pollen. These tiny water droplets or ice crystals cluster together, forming the clouds we see in the sky. There are many different types of clouds, each with its own unique characteristics. High-altitude cirrus clouds made of ice crystals appear as delicate wisps. Low-lying stratus clouds form a uniform grey layer, often bringing drizzle. Cumulus clouds, the fluffy cotton ball clouds, signal fair weather, and the towering cumulonimbus clouds with their dark anvil-shaped tops herald thunderstorms. Certain landscapes seem tailor-made to showcase the beauty of clouds. The Himalayas, with their towering peaks piercing the sky, provide a dramatic backdrop for cloud formations. Imagine standing amidst those majestic mountains, gazing up at lenticular clouds resembling giant flying saucers hovering above the snow-capped summits. The vast plains of the Serengeti offer a different but equally captivating canvas. Here, massive cumulus clouds cast moving shadows across the grasslands. These clouds, fueled by the heat of the African sun, can grow into towering thunderheads, unleashing dramatic downpours that nourish the land. Even the night sky, illuminated by the ethereal glow of the aurora borealis, becomes a canvas for cloud formations. Imagine witnessing the vibrant greens and purples of the northern lights dancing across the sky, framed by wispy, silver-lined clouds. It's a celestial spectacle that leaves a lasting impression. While common cloud formations are captivating, some cloud types are truly extraordinary. Lenticular clouds, for instance, appear as smooth, lens-shaped disks, often mistaken for UFOs. These clouds form when strong winds blow over mountains, creating wave-like patterns in the atmosphere. Imagine seeing these otherworldly clouds perched above Mount Rainier or the Scottish Highlands, their smooth surfaces reflecting the colours of the sunset. Mammatus clouds, another rare and striking formation, appear as pouch-like sacs hanging from the underside of storm clouds. These unusual formations occur when cold, sinking air creates downward bulges in the cloud base. Picture witnessing these ominous-looking clouds after a powerful thunderstorm, their dark grey pouches adding a touch of drama to the sky. Just as diverse ecosystems thrive across the globe, different climates give birth to unique cloud formations. In tropical regions, warm, moist air rises rapidly, creating towering cumulonimbus clouds that unleash torrential downpours. These dramatic storms are often accompanied by spectacular lightning displays, illuminating the sky with jagged bolts of electricity. In contrast, the Arctic and Antarctic regions feature delicate, iridescent nacreous clouds. These high-altitude clouds, composed of ice crystals, shimmer with pastel hues of pink, blue, and green. Imagine witnessing these ethereal clouds during the polar twilight, their iridescent colors reflecting off the snow and ice below. Even arid deserts witness their own unique cloud formations. In these dry environments, dust and sand particles, lifted by strong winds, become condensation nuclei for cloud formation. These dust-laden clouds, while not as visually impressive as their counterparts in other climates, play a crucial role in the desert ecosystem. Light is the artist's brush. and clouds are its canvas. The interplay between light and clouds creates a dynamic masterpiece that evolves with every passing moment. The way light interacts with clouds creates an ever-changing spectacle of color and shadow. Each moment offers a new perspective, a fresh palette of hues and contrasts. At sunrise and sunset, the low angle of the sun bathes clouds in warm hues of orange, pink, and purple. These moments are fleeting, yet they leave a lasting impression on the observer. The sky transforms into a fiery canvas, with clouds appearing as molten gold or glowing embers. It's a dramatic display that captivates the senses and stirs the soul. As the sun dips below the horizon, clouds reflect the fading light, creating a soft, ethereal glow. This gentle illumination adds a touch of magic to the evening sky. The sky transitions into a canvas of pastel hues, with clouds taking on shades of lavender, pink, and grey. These subtle colours evoke a sense of calm and serenity. This magical hour, known as the blue hour, casts a spellbinding glow on the landscape. The deep blues and purples create an enchanting atmosphere that is both peaceful and mysterious. Even the moon, reflecting the sun's light, paints the clouds with its own subtle palette. The moonlight adds a gentle, silvery touch that transforms the night sky. Moonlight bathes clouds in a cool, silvery glow, creating a sense of tranquility and mystery. The night sky becomes a serene and contemplative space. Imagine gazing up at a night sky, the full moon casting long shadows from the clouds, transforming the familiar landscape into something magical. The interplay of light and shadow creates a scene that is both enchanting and awe-inspiring. Throughout history, clouds have captivated artists, poets, and dreamers, inspiring countless works of art, literature, and music. Their ever-changing forms and colors have provided a rich source of inspiration, sparking creativity and imagination across different cultures and eras. In painting, artists have long used clouds to add drama, depth, and emotion to their landscapes. The way clouds interact with light and shadow can transform a simple scene into a masterpiece. From the swirling, tempestuous skies of Renaissance paintings, where clouds often symbolize turmoil and change, to the Impressionists' fascination with capturing the fleeting effects of light and atmosphere, clouds have played a pivotal role in shaping artistic movements. Their transient nature perfectly suited the Impressionists' focus on capturing moments in time. Poets, too, have found endless inspiration in the ephemeral beauty of clouds. The way clouds drift and change has been a powerful metaphor for the human experience. From William Wordsworth's I Wandered Lonely as a Cloud, which captures the sense of solitude and connection with nature, to John Keats's Ode to a Nightingale, clouds have been used to evoke a wide range of emotions, from joy and tranquility to melancholy and longing. They serve as a canvas for poets to explore the depths of human emotion. Even in music, clouds have left their mark. Composers have often looked to the sky for inspiration, finding in the clouds a source of ethereal beauty and mystery. Debussy's Clouds, for instance, captures the ethereal beauty and ever-changing nature of these celestial formations. The music mirrors the clouds' fluidity and grace. The music seems to float and drift, just like the clouds themselves, evoking a sense of wonder and awe. Through art, poetry, and music, clouds continue to inspire and captivate us, reminding us of the beauty and mystery of the natural world. Fortunately, you don't need to be a professional artist or photographer to capture the beauty of clouds. With a bit of enthusiasm and a keen eye, anyone can start this rewarding hobby. With a little practice and the right equipment, anyone can create stunning images of these celestial wonders. The key is to understand the basics and then let your creativity flow. Here are a few tips to get you started. Timing is key. Pay attention to the weather and lighting conditions. The best times to photograph clouds are during sunrise and sunset, when the light is soft and warm. These times, known as the golden hours, provide the most dramatic and beautiful lighting. Overcast days can also produce dramatic cloud formations. The diffused light on such days can add a mysterious and moody atmosphere to your photos. Choose your equipment wisely. A wide-angle lens is ideal for capturing expansive cloudscapes, allowing you to include more of the sky and landscape in your frame. While a telephoto lens allows you to zoom in on specific cloud formations, highlighting their intricate details and textures. Experiment with composition. Don't be afraid to experiment with different angles and perspectives. Sometimes looking at clouds from a low angle or through natural frames can create a unique and captivating image. Sometimes the most interesting cloud photographs are those that break the rules. Look for leading lines. Use elements in the landscape, such as trees, rivers, or mountains, to draw the viewer's eye towards the clouds. These natural lines can guide the viewer and add depth to your photos. Be patient. Cloud formations are constantly changing, so be patient and wait for the perfect shot. Sometimes the most breathtaking moments come when you least expect them. Clouds, with their ephemeral beauty and ever-changing forms, hold an enduring allure. They remind us of the power and beauty of the natural world, inspiring awe and wonder in equal measure. Whether we're gazing up at a bright blue sky dotted with fluffy white cumulus clouds or marveling at the dramatic display of a thunderstorm, clouds never fail to captivate our imagination. So the next time you're feeling stressed or overwhelmed, take a moment to look up at the sky. Let the clouds carry your worries away, reminding you of the beauty and wonder that surrounds us. And don't forget to share your own cloud photographs and stories with others, spreading the joy and inspiration that these celestial wonders bring.